Good evening, friends. Today we are going to talk about the prefix sum. Prefix sum is an important topic which is used to solve some of the methods which cannot be solved by the specific old methods, and it will give the time run error. So, first of all, we will understand what is a prefix sum. Suppose we are given an integer array like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and prefix means before. So what we will do, suppose we are at the first position, so we will see what is the sum of the element that comes before that index and including that index. So 1, so before 1 nothing comes, so sum of the elements before and including 1 is nothing but 1 itself. But for the second index, or we can say for the first index, the element is 2. So the element which comes before 2 is 1, and the element at the index 1 is 2. So sum of 1 and 2 is 3. And same for the second index, the sum of the previous and the sum of the element at that index will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will be 6. And sum of the elements for the fourth one will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 10. So let's see, just look at this example, that is 1 1 1 1 plus 2 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10. I hope you have understood what is a prefix sum. Now we will see the code on how to do this practically. Suppose the size of the nums array is n, so int n will be, suppose it is a vector, so its size will be nums dot size. Now what we will do, we can do in this in two way. Either we can make an another array and we can show how the elements will be added, or we can make the changes in this one itself. So for the simplicity, we will make another array or vector. Suppose we make an vector int whose name will be answer and whose size will be as same as that of the previous array. And we know that for the run array, that is the answer array, the first element will be the first element itself of the nums array. So at the 0th index of the answer, we are going to have the element at the 0th index of the nums. Okay, so now for the other indexes we will use a for loop. For int I is equal to 1 till I should be less than what? I should be less than n, and then I plus plus. Then what we will do is, at the first index, the value of the element at the ith index for the answer array will vector will be the element previous to that, that is answer of I minus 1 plus the element present at the nums array at that index. And we will do nothing, but we will return this answer array, and this is our required answer. Now let's see here, for I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1 means what? At this index, that is where the 3 is present, the answer of I will be equal to answer of I minus 1. Answer of I minus 1 here will be nums 0, that is 1, that is the previous element, plus nums of I, the element present at that index, that will be 1 plus 2, and the first element will be coming out to be 3 after 1. And similarly we will get our required answer array by this code. Thank you.